again talking about irregular verbs. We learned about irregular verbs last week. Who remembers what irregular means? What do you think, Ray?
Where you can't add an ed.
Yeah, we're not going to add an ed. Because a regular verb, we just add an ed to show that it already happened. But on these verbs, we cannot do that. So sometimes we have to change the vowel. Sometimes we have to change the word. And on today's lesson, we're going to talk about two verbs. The verb go and the verb do. Now, go. We are going to go to music soon. Or we will go home. That means it's happening now.
Why the background thing so long?
Try to set it back on. Brooklyn, what happens if you already go? It's not going to be go did.
Past.
It'd be the past, but what would be the verb? If we add ed to go, it would be goed. We goed home today. Does that make sense?
No, we went.
What is it, guys?
Went.
Went. Yeah.
I was like, no, wait.
We went. So if we went home, or I forgot to change the pictures. I know these pictures don't match, but if we went home, that means it already happened. Now I have the word do. Please do your singing. Do. What happens if I already doed it? What if I added ed to it? Dude. Dude. Would that make sense?
No.
What is it, guys? We did it. We did it. Okay, so today on your grammar paper,
We did sing it.
they want us to practice these two verbs. So we know that some verbs are irregular. We cannot add an ed. These verbs are called irregular verbs. So the verbs go and do have special forms in the past tense. So go goes to went, do goes to did. So today I'm going to have you do this on your own. You are going to read the sentence. Then you're not going to rewrite the sentence. I want you to rewrite the word, or the verb actually. But cross off sentence. Brooklyn, we're not on our iPads. Everybody cross off the word sentences, and we're going to write the word. Or it's actually the verb, but you can pick either one to write. In the past tense. So we'll do number one together, but the rest of this you're going to do on your own. So number one says, our teacher blank to China. I have the word go. I don't want go. Carson, what do you think I would want? Went. So if I don't know, I can look up here at the top. And Carson sees that go goes to went. So what you need to do is, don't try to write it. You could try to write it on this little line.
I did.
But would you also write it on this big long line? Okay? So you can do both if you want to, or for sure write it on this long line. Okay, you're going to go ahead and complete 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on your own. When you get done, put your blue paper on top, and then I will know you're ready for spelling.